Hey guys, looking for VAVADA casino promo codes that still work? In this video, we're gonna show you the full list and how to use them properly. You have the VAVADA 100 free spins on sign up, spin 2025, 50 free spins on selected slots. Literally, it's called spin, SPIN 2025. Bonus 25, right? 25% extra on first deposit. If you want to know how to redeem, go to vavada.com and sign in or register. Check your profile icon, choose bonuses, and then or promo code. Enter your code and hit activate. You will see your reward under the active bonuses section. Tips: codes change monthly. Use them right after signing up. Always check if they apply to your country. Some bonuses are region limited. Free spins often have wagering requirements, X20, X30, so check before playing. VAVADA remains popular for its fast payouts and clean mobile interface. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.